Good morning, everybody. I'm coming at you guys with a little adventure vlog today. I'm already packed, I'm already ready to go. However, tonight I'm actually going to a vegan potluck. This is totally new and exciting for me. I think I'm gonna try and whip something up to bring. So I'm gonna be making some veggie wrap. They're just kind of bite-sized and delicious. So, okay, let's get started. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's like foggy or something. I'm a little concerned, but anyways, I wanted to make a little pit stop on my way to Pahoa, where I'm going tonight for the vegan potluck. We're going hiking. I'm with my friends, Meg? Yeah. I'm with my friend Meg. You've met her before. And this is Jack.
Hi guys.
Kona Cloud Forest, we're going hiking. Woohoo! I don't know how to work my new camera. Noob Canon owner, sorry. Jack looking at it. This is a rainbow eucalyptus tree, and they are native to Hawaii. And basically what happens is the tree starts off brown, just like any other tree. Like the bark is totally normal looking. And then after a couple years of the tree being an adult tree, the layers start to peel off. Each year there's a new layer that's a different color. So first, like maybe it was red and then green and then purple, and all of these colors. It doesn't even look real. It doesn't look real. And all of the colors you can see only when it's old enough for all of those layers to peel away, because just naturally every year it just starts peeling like that. And I only know that because I did extensive research on it, because I was so wowed seeing this myself, because I was like, there's no way this is real. It looks like it looks like somebody like painted the tree this color, but it's actually, like, you can see the bark peeling off. This is actually red or purple.
That's so cool.
It's insane. Alright guys, had a nice little morning hike, and now I'm hitting the road, driving a couple hours all the way to Pahoa, my first time to the other side of the island. Let's do this.
So I just drove a couple hours and it is my first time on the east side of the island. I've been living on the west side, also known as Kona side, and I've made it to Hilo side, and I'm actually right on Hilo Bay. The vibe of this city compared to Kona is completely different, at least from what I've seen, and I've kind of been zigzagging through the city just to see it, but I'm just so happy to finally be here. For those of you who aren't super familiar with the Big Island, it is full of microclimates, so you can go skiing on the same day that you can go surfing, kind of thing. This is the wet side, rainforest side. I've been in Vogue for the past couple months, so it's just really nice to see something kind of new and exciting. So I'm gonna chill out here for just like 5 or 10 minutes. I don't have a lot of time. I don't want to be super late. And then I'm going to a potluck. And I don't know how much I will want to film while I'm there, since I'm gonna be meeting a bunch of new people, and I'm looking forward to meeting some people and socializing and stuff. So sorry guys, but you're gonna have to take the back seat on this one. These massive trees remind me so much of New Orleans. It is insane. It's almost as if the tree had dreadlocks. It's crazy. I love it. I'm about to see the smoke from the volcano for the first time, and it's amazing. Oh